Hello everyone. Today we will start the first chapter of geography and the name of the chapter is India, size and location. First of all, we will know about the location of India. Look here. Here we have the globe of the world, right? Here we have the different continents and we have 20 degree latitude. This one is the latitude and this one is the longitude. So this is 0 degree equator and this is prime meridian, 0 degree prime meridian. So these longitudes are help in the to find out the location of the countries, right? So first of all we will find out the location of India. India lies here at the northern part of equator and the eastern part of prime meridian. So we can say that India lies in the northern hemisphere of the world and in the south of Asia. Okay. Now here we have the important topics related to the chapter or the objectives that we will learn in this chapter. First one is India's location, in its size, India and the world, its neighbors. Okay. Now as you know, India is the ancient civilization in the world. There were different types of civilizations like the Indus civilization, Egypt, Mesopotamia. So Indian civilization was also ancient civilization like that one. So our civilization was the Harappan civilization and that was the ancient in the world. It was achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last few decades. Last कुछ years में हमने different types के achievements gain किए हैं in the different areas. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. We gain so many different remarkable progress in the different areas like agriculture. In agriculture, we developed in this area nowadays. For example, we started green revolution. Nowadays, we use different types of machinery, technology in our agriculture, different modes of irrigation, fertilizers, pesticides, different types की चीजें use कर रहे हैं. Now in industry also, nowadays we have the development in this sector also and in the technology also, right? For example, nowadays students study on the Zoom app or online study कर रहे हैं. So this is also the technology and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly. India और भी ज़्यादा इसके अंदर significant कर रहा है nowadays. Now we will know about the location. India's location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere in Asia. Northern hemisphere in Asia and the south of Asia. वर्ल्ड के नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड इंडिया के साउथ में लाई करता है. डन. द लैंड इज इन बिटवीन द लैटिट्यूड्स 8 degree 4 and 37 degree 6 north and longitude 68 degree 7 east and 97 degree 25 east. First of all, look here. Here we have the latitudes and longitudes extent. These lines are known as latitudes like equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. These are the three latitudes. लेटी हुई लाइन है. So India lies between 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. इन latitudes के बीच में exist करता है. Okay? And 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east के बीच में exist करता है. Okay? I have written here north, here also north, east and east. So there is no confusion because according to the map, according to the student, this is the east, west, north and south. But remember student, remember first of all I discussed the location of India India lies at the northern part of equator. This is suppose this is equator. Equator के just ऊपर आपका North India. In the north there is India and this is the prime meridian 0 degree. इसके east में exist करता है. So I have written here north. North क्योंकि equator के north में है India. That's why दोनों side north आएगा. And prime meridian के east में है India. That's why I have written here east and east. I hope you understand. Now, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two parts. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea are also a part of India. We have two islands and three water bodies, and the Tropic of Cancer divide India into two parts. For example, look here. This is the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So India covers by three water bodies. That's why India is also known as a peninsular country. And a country which is covered by water from three sides is known as a peninsula, right? So we have two islands, Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Andaman Nicobar lies in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep lies in the Arabian Sea. And Indian Ocean, in India have the central location in the Indian Ocean, and there is no other country which have like this. So these are the Indian states, these are the Indian coastal states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. All these countries are very important. Out of these, Gujarat have the longest coastal line. Okay. Now we will discuss some other points related to the size. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. Means the total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. And it covers nearby 2.4% area all over the वर्ल्ड मीन्स वर्ल्ड की जो लैंड है उसका 2.4% एरिया ही इंडिया कवर करता है एंड इट एग्जिस्ट हेयर पॉपुलेशन एग्जिस्ट नियर बाय 17% ऑफ द वर्ल्ड 2.4 एरिया कवर करता है लैंड का और इसमें वर्ल्ड की 17 पॉइंट समथिंग और 17% पॉपुलेशन एग्जिस्ट करती है राइट इट इज क्लियर दैट इंडिया इज the seventh largest country of the world. Okay, there are more 6 countries that are larger than India. So India have the 7th position in the largest country. India has a land boundary. We have two boundaries. One is land boundary and second one is coastal line. So land boundary हमारी है 15,200 kilometer and the coastal line is that also include the mainland like Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. These are the union territories. इनको include करके हमारी जो total land boundary बनती है that coastal boundary बनती है that is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, the southernmost point of India is Indira Point. At that lies in the Andaman and Nicobar. But to submarine हो गया है after the submerge हो गया है after the 2004 tsunami. Okay. Now here we will discuss the 7 largest country in the world. First one is Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. Right? Here we have the total area related to the different countries. Like India का जो total area है that is 3.28 million square kilometer. So I hope you understand the topic. Next we will do in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.